Our ice maker recommendations are based on a mix of hands-on testing and extensive research. We made sure our recommendations could make a sufficient amount of ice in a relatively short period of time while focusing on ice shape and size and water tank capacity. There are many products available to choose ice maker, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of best ice maker from reputable brands after much research. I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Silent Ice Maker. Fast Ice Maker. The Silent Ice Maker only takes 6 minutes to make 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes. Fill 2 L of water into the water tank. Maximum ice capacity can reach 26 pounds in 24 hours. You can make 2 different sizes of ice cubes. Small ice cubes can chill seafood and beer, keeping it fresh and cold. Large ice cubes are more suitable for beverages to achieve a rapid cooling effect. When making ice cubes, the noise is lower than 35 dB, similar to a working refrigerator. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the ice capacity. The sensor automatically detects when ice is full and stops producing to prevent overflowing. The control panel is very easy to operate. Fill the ice maker with water, press the on button, select the size of the ice cubes, and that's it. When the water is insufficient or the ice basket is full, the indicator light will turn on. Number 2. Igloo Automatic Ice Maker. Made for convenience, portable, sleek, convenient, and compact in size, the Igloo Ice Maker is suited for any sized countertop space for producing perfectly formed ice cubes wherever and whenever you need it. The water tank can hold up to 1.5 quarts of water. Keep it filled and this unit will produce 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period. That's enough ice to keep drinks refreshingly cold all day long. 120 watts powers this machine to make 9 small or large cylinder-shaped ice cubes in as little as 7 minutes. The automatic ice maker will keep making ice until the ice basket is completely full. Choose small or large cylindrical ice cube sizes using the easy-to-use control panel according to your preference. Number 3. Eazy Portable Ice Maker. Enjoy perfect ice in a flash with this countertop ice maker. With 6-minute cycles, get 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes at a time and produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day. Say goodbye to buying ice forever. Experience ice-making tranquility with this whisper-quiet machine, under 35 dB, comparable to a running fridge. Infrared sensors stop ice production when full, and a low water reminder makes it stress-free. If the ice cubes in the basket are not used for a while, they will melt. Use the included ice bags and scoop to transfer them to the refrigerator for later use. Get perfectly chilled drinks with 2 ice sizes to choose from. Small cubes for chilling seafood and beer, large cubes for beverages. Enjoy refreshing drinks with family and friends. Number 4. Countertop Ice Maker. This countertop ice maker can produce 9 round-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, and up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours. The round-shaped ice cubes will cool down your drinks. With its production of ice, this portable ice maker machine countertop is suitable for home parties. Invite your family and friends over for a fun and refreshing ice drink time. The indicator on the portable countertop ice machine will alert you when the basket is full and will remind you to add water when the ice machine is running low. All you need to do to make ice is add water and turn on the switch. It has a transparent window, so you can watch the ice being made. The ice maker countertop has a self-cleaning function that can be activated by pressing the on-off button for 5 seconds. This will allow you to clean it quickly and easily. The self-cleaning ice maker's countertop will ensure that every iced drink you make is healthy. Number 5. Uami Nugget Ice Maker. Quench your thirst fast with efficient Uami Nugget Ice Maker. You can enjoy fresh Sonic ice and cold drinks in 6 to 8 minutes. Featuring a 1.2 QT water tank, it easily makes up to 34 pounds of ice daily and has a 1.8 pounds removable basket. The unique, crunchy soft pellet ice won't hurt your hands or mouth and cools drinks quickly while retaining their taste, providing a joyfully chewable experience. It's so perfect for icing coffee, smoothies, and munching on ice as a snack. Our Nugget Ice Maker has a sturdy handle, a compact size, LWH, of 9.45 by 11.61 by 12.99 inch and pretty lightweight. Those features make our Pebble Ice Maker easy to carry and so perfect for any occasions such as home/office/camping/party/bar/RV. Another user-friendly design is the ice scoop holder on the back that allows easy storage when not in use. The large viewing window allows direct monitoring of the ice-making process. Buy now and enjoy refreshing drinks all summer long. Our Nugget Ice Maker is ETL certified to ensure top quality and safety. You can use Pebble Ice Maker with confidence. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.